morning, children. Welcome to your digital classes. Open your book Sparkle, reading section, page number 8. Lesson 2. The boy who cried wolf. In this lesson, we will learn that one always speak the truth. If you always tell lies, the pupil will not believe you even when you tell the truth. So always speak truth. Before starting the lesson, we will learn new words. Trick. Trick means to play a joke or to cheat. Rushed. Hurried or went quickly. Peacefully. Calmly or without worry. What means promise. Take seriously means give importance to. Took notice means paid attention to, and its present tense is take notice. Last one is repeatedly means many times. Now come to the next page. The boy who cried wolf. This is the story of a shepherd boy whose name is David, who always tells lie. And what happened at the end of the story? Let's see. Once a shepherd boy called David took his flock of sheep up a hill near the village in which he lived. When he was sitting there, he thought it would be a great fun to play a trick on the villagers. So he called out, "Help, help! Someone come up quickly! Help me save my sheep!" One day, David took his flock of sheep. Flock of sheep means group of sheep. So one a day, David took his flock of sheep for gazing on the hilltop. When he was sitting there, he thought, why not play a trick with the villagers? So he called out, "Help, help! Someone come up quickly and save my sheep." All the villagers stopped whatever they were doing. The farmer left their field, the baker stopped baking, and the shopkeeper closed the shops. They pick up the whatever the sticks they could find and rushed to help David. When they reached up, they found there was no wolf and the sheep were grazing peacefully. The first time David shouted for the help and asked the villagers to save his sheep, and all the villagers stopped whatever they were doing and rushed to help the David. When the villagers come up the hill, they found that sheep were grazing peacefully. Seeing them, David started laughing and said, "See how I made a fool of you all." The villagers were very angry and returned to their work. After a few days, David played the same trick again. Once again, all the villagers left their work and ran up the hill. David once again laughed on seeing them. This time, when the villagers came down, they vowed never to take David seriously again. David laughed at them and said that he had made the fool, and villagers were very angry and returned to their work. After a few days, David played the same trick again. Once again, all the villagers left their work and ran up the hill. Once again, David laughed on seeing them. This time villagers promised never to take David seriously. Then one day, when David was alone with the sheep, a wolf really came. David cried out, "Wolf, wolf, someone help!" But the people of the village were so used to hear him call for help that they took no notice of his cries. The wolf killed a number of David's sheep, and David had to run down the hill to save himself. He felt very sorry for himself and understood that if a person repeatedly tell a lie, then even when he tells a truth, no one will believe him. One day when the David was alone with the sheep, the wolf really came. David cried out, and wolf, please help. Wolf, wolf, please help. But nobody noticed his cries, and wolf killed a number of David's sheep. David had run down the hill to save himself. And he felt very sorry for himself and learned the lesson. If you always tell lies, people will not believe you even when you tell the truth. Always speak the truth, and if you make a mistake, tell your parents about it. They may be get angry, but they will help you surely. Understand, everybody? Thank you.